In this video, I'll be replacing the cabin air filter in this third generation Kia Optima. The cabin air filter is very similar to the filter for your home HVAC system, and according to the owner's manual, it needs to be replaced every 15,000 miles or 12 months. Thankfully, it's a super easy filter to change out and doesn't require any tools. It's located behind the glove box, so first start by emptying anything out of the glove box. Then, with a quarter turn counterclockwise, remove the stops from each side. To the right, the damper has to be disconnected by sliding it off the pin. Remove the access panel for the glove box by pinching the clip on the right side and sliding it out. The old filter will now slide out, and you can see just how dirty it was. Here's the new filter I'll be installing, link in the description below. Before installing, pay attention to the airflow direction arrow, which should be pointing down. Now rotate a quarter turn and slide it all the way into the filter slot. Slip the access panel tab into the slot on the left side, then clip it back on the right side. Lift the glove box back into its semi-open position and reattach the damper on the pin on the right side, and also reinstall the glove box stops on the inside, turning each a quarter turn clockwise to lock them in place. And that's all there is to it. Now your HVAC system won't have to work as hard, and you'll be breathing much cleaner air. If this video helped you, please take a second to click the like button at the bottom and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below.